Hello and welcome to the 29th edition of the World HRD Congress. Like every year, this year the theme of the World HRD Congress is Building Happiness at the Workplace. In these times of the pandemic, it is important for every organization to think about talent and how to shape that talent in their organization. This year's theme revolves around resetting the future, where stalwarts came under one roof to discuss how to develop talent in their organization.
29th edition of World HRD Congress is based on the theme, The Future Reset. The whole objective of the Congress was to discuss talent management, talent development, talent leadership in very difficult times. During the Corona period, most organizations were affected. Many people lost their jobs. How do we find a solution to skill development, reskilling and managing the future? That was the theme. How can coaching be different in pandemic times? How do you manage mental health during pandemic times? The World HRD Congress debated on these themes. Virtual speakers from many countries participated, and global leaders from many HR nations were a part of the World HRD Congress.
On this occasion, HR leaders were felicitated and honored. Each awardee was closely chosen from the organizations who are transforming the workplace.
See, there's always a personal interview with each company where you ask them what have they achieved, where have they found a gap in achievement and how they have fulfilled that gap. So each winner is very carefully chosen. It's defined, the parameters are defined of how each winner is going to be chosen. And based on that, each winner is given an opportunity to present the case. Then the jury questions them. We do the due diligence and the market perception, and then the award winners decide.
The first award, this is for the best HR strategy in line with business, goes to PI Industries Limited. Move on to the next category. This is for excellence in learning and development, the Union Bank of India. Well, Asif, would you like to announce the next awardee?
That's SIFI Technologies Limited. All right, can we move on to the next category? That's for Award for Managing Health at Work. And the first winner we have is Tech Mahindra Limited for winning the Award for Managing Health at Work category award. Well, the next winner is TM International Logistics Limited, TMIL. The next winner we have is Calib HR Business Support Services Limited, Calib HR.
Thank you, Dr. Dwivedi, for doing us this set. Well, may I invite Dr. Tarita Shankar on stage, please, for the next set of awards. Put your hands together for the next presenter. Congratulations to Tech Mahindra. FNF India, congratulations.
next winner is Ascent Consulting Private Limited for Best Service Provider in MCPO HR.
All right, we'll move on to the next winner. But before that, we'd like to thank Dr. Shankar for her time. Thank you so much. Well, for the next set, may I invite Professor Chetan Vakalkar on stage, please.
Congratulations to Godrej Industries Limited for organization with Best Employee Relation Practices.
The next category, please. Asandas and Sons. All right, we'll move on to the next winner, Mr. Reep Hazarika, the MD of the Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited. Few words from you, sir.
Happy also to get this award. Actually, I had taken over as CEO of my company just a year back, and World HRD Congress recognizing my efforts. I'm very thankful. I am also thankful to the entire my BCPL family, without whose support this award would not have been possible. And I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the other winners today. Thank you.
Mr. Haresh Karamchandani, the CEO of Asandas and Sons Private Limited, Hyphen Foods. Few words from you, sir.
I would like to thank World HRD Congress for recognizing our company, recognizing our efforts in within a span of 5 years, making our company one of the leading food processing companies in India. Thank you so much.
Let's move on to the next. Mr. Kumar Priyaranjan, the President, Human Capital and CSR of Hykel Limited. Congratulations. A few words on your accolade.
Thank you, World HRD Congress and the team, jury, and my team with whom I work, and all these things have been possible. What we do, I can only tell you one sentence is, I believe in establishing that inner connections, and that works the wonder. Thank you very much.
Women Super Achiever Award goes to Anupama Vaidya, Founder, Director, Los Orígenes. Thank you, Chetan, sir. Can I have Dr. Dwivedi on stage, please?
We have the Best Employer Brand Awards going to Dentsu World Services. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Dwivedi, for doing us this set of honors.
Moving on to the HR Super Achievers, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Mr. S.K. Dutt to present a few honors. Sitna Abraham, Head HR, Indian Potash Limited. Well, I request you to stay back. You've also won the Best Employer Brand Award. So I'd like to say a few words, please.
I thank the World HRD Congress for conferring the National Best Employer Award to Indian Potash Limited. I take this as a sequel Last year we had the state award. This year we are having the national award. And this being an international forum, I'm definitely for sure we'll get a global award, Global Best Employer Award shortly.
Thank you, Mr. Dutt, for doing us the set of honors. Give you a little respite. Professor Wakalkar, can we have you back on stage, please, sir, for the next set? And we'll move ahead with the next. This is for Managing Health at Work. Congratulations to the Albani Molecular Research Incorporated, Hyderabad. Let's move on with the next. The Advanced Technology Consulting Services Private Limited. Move on to the next. Classic Industries and Exports Limited. Congratulations to the Galderma India Private Limited. Heikel Limited. InnoMind Software. Congratulations to the Gina and Company. Congratulations to the Piramal Glass Private Limited. Congratulations to Rishabh Software Private Limited. Our next winner is the Mayfair Hotels and Resorts. The next for Innovation Recruitment, Robotic Wares Private Limited.
Welcome back to World HRD Congress. At this August gathering, companies were recognized for their work. Companies that nurture ambitions, aspirations, and growth of their employees are the ones who would be called a dream company to work for.
The listing projected those organizations that are impactful, that have the vision, that have guided themselves through their business strategy, that have embraced adversity, and those that have translated their business into action in current times, giving back to the society where it makes a meaningful difference. They've managed the mental health of their employees, and they've managed the way in which they are managing the current scenario so that people feel secure, people feel safe and happy, and they're able to contribute to their highest level of performance.
Today, we'll witness those companies that are nurturing their employees. The awards are organized to recognize the best companies to work for.
There are close to about 100 companies that applied for dream companies to work for. Out of those 100 companies, we shortlisted 60 in the first stage. In the second stage, we conducted interviews with those companies, where online we were chatting with them and we had a discussion with them. We went on a clear thinking that these companies would be those that people aspire to work with, irrespective of the levels of the people. So in the course of interviews, we asked questions like, what kind of performance measurement system does your company have? Then we did rapid fire round this time. And in the rapid fire round, the questions were, in one word, describe the culture of your company. In one word, describe the performance levels of your company. In one word, describe the diversity standards of your company. In one word, describe the gender sensitivity of your company. About arranging 10 questions, and they were being ranked basis our answers. Come on, over to you boys to announce.
All right, the first category is for the award for Best Corporate Social Responsibility Practice. And the awardees are V Technologies Private Limited, Career Fairs and Campus Recruitment goes to Value Labs. Well, talent management goes to Prestige Estate Projects. Oil India Limited for the best training and development program. Karnataka Bank. Bishop Software Private Limited received the award for IT, oil and gas. Well, dream companies to work for in the PSU sector goes to Ercon International. And the next one is for the JK Lakshmi Cement.
Thank you, Chetan sir.
Well, the CEO with HR orientation goes to Mr. Amitabh Singh, the Global Service Delivery CEO, Mercer Consulting India Private Limited. May I invite Bharat Heavy Electricals on stage, please? We'll now move on to the individual awards, the Visionary Leader Award, and the first awardee in this segment is Dr. S.K. Chaudhary, CMD, Ercon International Limited. May I invite the General Manager for Ercon International to receive the accolade on behalf of Dr. S.K. Chaudhary, please, the CMD of Ercon International. Saumil Shah, the Chief Information Officer of Rishabh Software Private Limited. Rank 20, Ercon International, rank 20. Please step up for your accolade. Rank 16, Rishabh Software. Rank 9, InnoMind Software Private Limited. Karnataka Bank receives rank 8. Rank 4, Value Labs. Can we have a group photograph, please?